So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the toner for a Brother laser printer, the MFC model. Now before you can change your toner you need to get a replacement cartridge. The Brother 2450 toner cartridge is what you need. But before you replace your toner cartridge you actually need new ink. So you can do that by clicking that bottom in the bottom right, selecting Toner Life. You can see it's low on ink, so you want to get a replacement laser cartridge. The Brother 2450 is the one that you need for this particular model of printer. So the first step is to remove the old toner cartridge. So to do that you've got to first flick up that paper catcher, and we'll pull down the face of the printer. I'm going to put my two fingers behind these two grooves and pull forward. Now to pull out the toner cartridge, we simply grab this grey tray, just grab it in the middle and just pull it out. Now we need to remove the toner cartridge from this grey tray. To do that, you simply press down on that green button and you can pull out the old toner cartridge. Now you just take the toner out of the box that it came in. Now we're going to take the new cartridge out of this grey bag. So just you find that the little nick in the wrapper, rip it open. We then take this cover off the toner cartridge. We then insert the toner cartridge with this end going towards the back and that towards the front. And you just push it down like that and you heard a nice little clip. Means that this is now locked into place. You can see it's locked in. I can't take it out now. We'll then insert this printer cartridge into the printer now. You simply just sit it down nice and flat and then you just gently push it back. You won't need to force this. Done. Now we just close the cover. The printer's going to think about it, and then we'll check the printed ink once it has a chance to load it. So the new printer cartridge is in there now. It's been 30 seconds, and you can see now that icon down there is fully black, which means it's full of ink. It's got a new cartridge. Press Toner Life. You can see that it's now full and ready to go.